You know, Yoon, when I talk to consumers about buying a new TV, I often hear how tedious it can be to do all the setup, adding apps, and that lengthy login process.
Yes. We spent a lot of time thinking about how we could overhaul that process by using the device you already use the most and has all the information you need to set up the TV. That's your smartphone. Just connect your Android or iOS phone to the TV via Bluetooth Low Energy. And when it's connected, you see this? You'll get this pop-up. When you get this pop-up, all you need to do is just press the setup, and it's actually loading the necessary information from your phone to the TV via SmartThings Cloud. Next, I want to talk about Universal Guide, because I think it's important. I'm a UFC fan, and I've set it up so that when a fight I want to watch is about to start, I'm going to get an alert here. Okay, so there you go. There's an alert. It says it's starting in 1 minute. So to tune into that channel, all I need to do this time is just click watch, and there you go.
Nice.
UFC. When the door rings, we can check who's at the door right from the TV screen without missing any of the action.
Very cool.
Okay? All right, so why don't you click that thing and view it in full screen? And then there you go. So we've made the 2018 Family Hub more personal than ever. As you mentioned it earlier, Joe, it now recognizes multiple voices and knows your preferences based on the voice.
Yep. Play my morning brief.
Good morning, Joe. Here is your morning brief. You have sales meeting at 8 a.m. Meeting at 12:15 p.m. Samsung CES 2018 press conference at 2 p.m.
Yes, we do.
Followed by team meeting and working dinner at 6 p.m.
Okay.
Have a great day, Joe.
It wouldn't be CES without an amazing new Samsung TV. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm talking about the Samsung Micro LED TV, the world's very first consumer television with self-emitting micro LED technology. It uses non-organic materials and does not require a color filter to produce perfect blacks and accurate color. The micro LED does not sacrifice brightness or viewing angle either. And the Samsung micro LED is modular, meaning any size you want, any configuration you can think of, this TV's design transforms the concept of what's possible.
Notebook 9 pen. It is our lightest and most durable two-in-one PC ever, giving you the power and flexibility to work wherever you are. It weighs only 2.2 pounds and has a 360-degree rotating hinge for optimal display. Best of all, the S Pen is powered by the PC itself, so it never needs to be charged. Now this is a productive, powerful, and portable PC. Samsung Flip is a portable, fully integrated and interactive whiteboard that can connect to your PC and your phone so you can easily share and mark up content together as a team.
So here is the Notebook 9 pen
Yeah.
and the last slide that we were working on. And I just have one suggestion that I want to add in here. I'd like to slide this over. And we've been talking about this target consumer all day, and I'd like to go ahead and make that a graphic on the side there. So with my Note 8, I simply tap to connect using NFC technology. And like that, I have video and a two-way control of my phone.
Very cool.
Our intelligent digital cockpit, shown for the first time here at CES 2018, securely delivers greater productivity and personalization with countless apps and enterprise services. The digital cockpit merges the instrument cluster and the entertainment systems of the car into one. With Harman's sophisticated sound solutions and branded audio systems, and integrating Bixby and the cloud, the digital cockpit delivers a more personalized, more entertaining in-car experience than ever before. Set your thermostat on the way home. See what groceries are in your family hub before you go to supermarket. Stream your music in the car and have it playing on your smart speaker when you come home. Seamless connectivity to your digital life.